Hello guys, if you wanna use a downloaded team builder team in franchise mode in Madden 27, the process is pretty simple once you know where to find the option. First, from the main menu, go to Creation Center and then open the Download Center. This is where you'll find all of the team builder teams that are available to download. You can browse through the top downloaded teams, the top rated teams, or search for specific team by pressing Y on Xbox or triangle on PlayStation. Once you find a team you like, select it and you can preview it before downloading. The preview lets you check things like the stadium, field, stadium capacity, jerseys and other details about the team. Once you have found the team you want, go ahead and download it. After the download is finished, go back to the main menu and enter franchise. From here, choose create new league and select the online option since team builder teams needs to be used in an online franchise. Now go to the roster file option and choose the roster you wanna use. Once the roster loads, you'll be able to choose which existing NFL teams you wanna replace with your downloaded team builder team. For example, if you wanna replace the Philadelphia Eagles, select them and then press X on Xbox or square on PlayStation to replace them with a team builder team. You'll then see the team builder teams you have downloaded, so select the one you wanna use. After that, you'll have the option to keep the current roster for that NFL team or use the roster that comes with the team builder team. Choose the roster you want, select your team and then continue through the rest of your franchise settings. Once everything is set up, select start playing. You'll now enter the preseason with your downloaded team builder team and from here you can manage the franchise, play games and build the team however you want. And that's how you can download a team builder team and use it in franchise mode in Madden 27. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.